Hello guys, good day. We are the group 3 and we will be discussing the pre-Spanish poetry. So basically guys, this is the continuation of the presentation of group 2. We have the forms of pre-Spanish poetry. We have epigrams, riddles, chants, maxims, sayings, and sawikain.
Epigrams or salawikain. These have been customarily used as a serve as law or rules on good behavior by our ancestor. To others, these are like allegories or parables that impart lesson for the young. Sinasabi po dito na ang epigrams ay ginagamit daw po ng mga ating ancestors as a principles, laws, or rules on a good behavior. At sa iba, ginagamit daw nila itong allegories or parables na nag-i-impart ng lesson sa mga bata. Gayun din, epigram is a short, interesting, and insightful idea or thought about a specific subject expressed in a witty, satirical, and funny manner. Epigrams often include a twist at the end which add humors and irony to the statement to turn it into satire. Sa construction naman daw po ng salawikain in epigrams, ito daw po ay brief, short, na meron siyang interesting and insightful idea. Meron din, ini-express po ito in a witty, satirical, and funny manner. Yun nga, they use witty, satirical, and funny manner for them to get the interest of the readers. These are examples of epigrams. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. Another one is, huwag mong gawin sa iba ang ayaw mong gawin sa iyo. And the next one is riddle or bugtong, a type of question that describes something in a difficult and confusing way and has a clever or funny answers, often as a game. A mystifying, misleading, or puzzling questions posed by a problem to be solved or guessed. Ang riddles or bugtong daw naman po ay isang uri ng tanong na nagdi-describe ng something in a difficult and confusing way. Meron daw po itong clever or funny answer often asked as a game. Gaya na lang po nung ginawa natin nung nakaraan, ang bugtong po ay isang uri ng tanong na kung saan tinatago nito kung ano yung meaning o may hinahanap na nakatagong bagay na need mong mag-isip beyond those statement or words na sa tanong nakalagay. So, you need to think critical talaga when answering a bugtong or riddles. These are the examples of riddles. What is in a season, seconds, centuries, and minute, but not in a decade, years, or days? Another one is, what always run but never walks, often murmur never talks, has a bed but never sleep, has a mouth but never eats.
Chant, kung tawagin sa Tagalog ay bulong. Chant is used in witchcraft or enchantment, especially in remote places in the Visayas. Lagaylay was used on a special occasion for the Pilarenos of Sorsogon during many time to get together. Here, enchantment or witchcraft defines the act or art of enchanting. Example of chant, ito yung mga madalas nating sinasabi pag tayo ay dumadaan sa isang daan na hindi tayo pamilyar o may iniiwasan, kagaya ng tabi-tabi po ingkong makikiraan po lamang. Maxims, na kung tawagin sa Tagalog ay salawikain. Maxims is some or rhyming couplets with the verses of 5 to 6 or 8 syllables, each line having the same number of syllables. An expression of a general truth or principle, especially an aphoristic or sententious one. Ito yung mga salita na nakakakuha tayo ng aral na minsan na i-apply natin sa ating sarili. Mga example ng maxims. Opposites attract. The pen is mightier than the sword. The bigger, the better. Actions speak louder than words. Birds of feather flock together.
Next is sayings or Tagalog kasabihan, often used in teasing or to comment on a person's situations. A well-known wise statement that often has a meaning that is different from the simple meanings of the word it contains. A short, pithy expression that generally contains advice or wisdom. Examples of saying, easy come, easy go. Two wrongs don't make a right. Ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika ay mas mahigit pa sa malansang isda. Ang buhay ay parang gulong, minsang nasa ibabaw, minsan nasa ilalim ka. Sawikain. Sayings with no hidden meanings. Sawikain is a type of proverb that is forceful and poetic, and often use euphemisms. Sawikain is a way of passing down wisdom from ancestors. Sawikain is a traditional saying that reflects the norms, beliefs, and tradition of a community. So, we have examples of sawikain. So, we have putok sa buho, itaga sa bato, butas ang bulsa, balitang kutsero, kwentong barbero, balat sibuyas, anak pawis, biro ng tadhana, kamay na bakal, bahagang buntot, at bakas ng kahapon. That's all, guys. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something for today. Bye-bye!